So here's my mytonies app. So I just created an account via email and password. So here's how it looks like. View and manage your tuning boxes, tonies, and audio content. Recordings, you can record your own stories, songs, and messages for creative tunies. Find free content for your favorite tunies. New content is added regularly. Shop, explore shop. Upload your recordings, audio files, and free content to your creative tunie. So yeah, that's just what it is. I just created free account. And then you just find all the types of content. Then you can just start setup. So you can just start it. So you can just go to mytonies.com/setup or the mytonies app. To complete setup, you will need a Wi-Fi connection. So yeah, you can just use it through the website, or you can just use it through the app. In the app, you just download the app, and then you can just tap on collection, tap on the plus icon with the tuning box, and then just add the tuning box. Start setup process, enter your tuning box ID. This is the 8-digit ID that can be found on the bottom of your tuning box. Make sure that tuning box is not on the charger, or you will not be able to see tuning box ID. And then yeah, here you can name your tuning box. So that's what it is from here. So wait, the app is called mytonies, and then here in collection, just tap plus, and then here you will be able to add it. So yeah, there you have it. If you don't have any, you will just be redirected to the shop. So yeah, you can also record your own stories, songs, and messages. Then there is some free content which you can explore. So quite cool. So give it a try. Quite a fun app for the holidays.